bw'omuguzi. Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'omuguzi.
Kigima mwancho murigeria wetaseni kia Ndizi TV chitarikini 15 cy'umutinyo gatano omwaka gw'ekiri bubere 2024 n'cyabere chikoraga cinsa isano na ibere cyabona mugaso kinga kinabere ngwero beri yabwikirano asokoretera amangana majya naberika gwateka kurwa cingongo cyansi inyecense asinsemo mitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabakanda gutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemeri ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website gwetera www.ndizitv.net ireterane Frida Kerubo nolyo kaneke mna chibi channel yogira gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Mumanyi chinga kitoroche abantereba babere bagwesoke bene naboigo kwe murunganira kugwatikana no bokoreri bwabagwatani kurwa sekyombegerya NTSA asibabere bakweneke mna nigo babeire bakonererwa naboiga sebunge yabonchari nigo omongina w'emyaka 55 nomo muberoye obakogotoka ubotugutire magayo kubara kurwa ase enka yaye mwancho murigereria ayongati yari kwariganete aso mu basolero tosikatonyegera kwirana na segekeke kerobosyo erine gumanya mange asinchira yowenye mwancho murigereria ngo kwarigani bene erinde tobetogosanga asobwamo gocha kabono iga goika omoelio amayaye bire bigani gotokwachaka kurwa sorgongo robusim asingo kumenya bina maiga yo mwaziri bobosombi Kipchumba Murkomen kurugo chikabuna aba bisaba ekyombegya NTSA naboigo abanyanyimbo ba traffic wikirana ase chipara chinga kichiga chiskuru chigendete kwigurwa erinde kumorikera obokoreri ase chiparecho nigo abantereba babere bahwesoke bene naboigo kwe murunganiria obokoreri kolengana nabarwo chinga kibaba gusanga nigetaseni kia Ndizi TV ningo baba kwenekia kunererwa ase chipara anene ase baba bakomochia abanyanyimbo ba traffic ase okoira amaki naboigo kunaria kigali cyabo egikirire asensemo yabateneri babo wakana kibese kinyinge achinga kikigali cyo chikobwatikwa kolene ningo babere bakuboria omwaziri Murkomen kweneke buna ngotereniale obokoreri asensemeri ya NTSA naboigo kubika miremekirano asokwenekia obokoreri obya ase chipara
kinda cyo kwana igore NTSA eto hambo time ngati mnabona ga ya rush tokoba abana agira beke chisukuru yaikere kigali chito mpaka lito compliant kwanyora ngo bwata mabosa masinini abata dete beke chichuma echume yeke tuwa begete egachiga sambelwa banyora ngo to complain everything baikira bata tebringa nandi chumetega nebigo sambelwa yagera kagosa gasinini egali ya ruswe number plate number plate kere ya rusiwe our managers our directors they use a lot of money kwenda kurusia gali elimu enjera rego saba ase CS Murkomen akwa na mana abantu baye ekere kirenga kialas tafadhali batiga twara koba abana baikachi skulu on time because ekere ba kirega ba komekie chigatia sono musuni mi chigatie cyasareka asama gosa masinini ene galire para kera lituko mbanyeroche naba askari baito babere mo corrupt ageko garanga ebese ya paro tarueti ayo montere bana yo kubekira lawam ine bitina ebese nantunto manyitinga ngaye bese yo cyagenda ageko goroko nyoronge bese ye bakere galiro complete goikuru ebese anchira
NTSA number 1 asokora kwane ase koronengia ngogera bale batwene bo we as drivers na customers soko imokia gotwene bo toro sigari chito buya goto segeta bale gotwatia majika para ya bega gosira sama tukamange number 1 gotokonya bale buna ko toria likorosia gari ebe condition yengia na no mogene karago cho twara gotamani go safiri ne gari yago na asinale bago chabato gosera na bono konyora bali go kwa time garaba go bwatire bagotema goso korte naya abago bwata ba kwarash abaria ba atarago tema gosa korte na ali o ba chira as far as go 310 ba rusle number plate for example ebinto bune
manchi muri yagotigana nayo nabusikabusio asorbo tronde ni gongo kumanyabuna mubere bo mungino yomo aserieta Joyce Gesare kurwa ase kenyoro gia kenyorora nigo obakogotoka mambe ya lero ase ensemeli ya mwamisoko iyo gotoka ensemeli ya Gesonso ewodi abwagia kumu ebunge ya Bontari kolengana na biroli nigo bane kibra nigo mungino yo ale miaka 50 ni 5 nomo asabete kagusira kurwa asenka yaye chitariki isano nemo wiki yaita asikolende litukolera mu biro yo bakogotoka gosibire eguni banyana bonigo abanyanyimbo babagukira na senseme yo nabwo koira umubiro yo wika asengendu ya KTRH chingaki obotki bwabo go chakigwa bene
Early this morning nanya oresi the manager Andrew Garo shamutinga there is something that looks like umubiri gumuntu ore damp dia sabare kul mama gena then I came and confirmed indeed no muntu chakire umubiri chakire kugunda tuntwanyora abantu b'ipikipiki bari ngumungira na arosire kenyorora twarangiria abanyene bali bati pa mu confirm nga Joyce. We have talked to the son of ebirengina igasirete last week tare 6
omuntu gotakongento mungira muyo yogotire otakuwa tikende okwerigeria nigintu kirekebe kapisa na handi tukugikikeria mundu bwensi okoreta mangana aya nera mubwati bwangu
twanangana togeta kuruye tauni gotuko twire gesundegere go chikaberaga iwonya ndi life chibekire kuru bonjari ngima kanga ngo bayo kwa batole buya twamayango bumwe tuborendete alafu nagaro chema leo ne ko kya kubina rode ga bagina ba bakora batukutuka igaba kwenda ko fence igaba ya sengenge pa fence iga undi kwese konyorekana onya wako tegeri watwa
abagambi baitu baimokere iguru abantu bose bari bakora nsemo ya sector ya security batemango barigerelinga abantu baitu barendiro asinjira ya bene indelio ebikoro binge bune biga bigotoka kya bwango iga nainde kurwa nsemo abo mari bamoino nainde no to abushi nando mongino ndega iga na lero noga
abagwatani bobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nigo litkolero babagotwara egikaro kya bene asumu bagani oyomo imeyomochi o Nairobi nigo egikaro kya bagigo ikiranirwa ase okumurikira finance bill yo mwaka bw'ekirubere 2024 na bwo mwaka bw'ekirubere 2025 chingaki babere bakumukya emerobere serikali ya Kenya Kwanza soko gendera komentera abakenya ebango banya nabanigo babere bakoyeneke niga bakenya babwate ugurubenene yo gwakana ebango chingaki amatkabusyo obugima boragendere gokonga asensemo yobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nigo baba kubeka emerobere mekirano yakweneke mna obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja mbogendere koira emeli nabwo gotinga kigima
determined that we say that the selection panel will forward the name to the president within 14 days because we are all constrained for time on IBC. And the president should only have a maximum of 7 days because there's nothing the president is doing with those names, especially as had been captured by senior counsel and our principal, Kalonzo Musyoka, that it's a negotiation, prior negotiation. So there's no reason that it should stay for that long. The last and the fifth is about the definition of parliamentary parties. It was noted that the selection panel the parliamentary parties would participate, but there was no definition in the Act. So provision was inserted to define the parliamentary parties, and all that was done was to leave what in the National Assembly Standing Order 20A that defines parliamentary parties. In the National Assembly, it's defined as a minimum of 5 members. Yeah, 5%, yes, not 5 members, 5%. And that's what was lifted. Now, in the Senate, it is different. But fortunately, that definition that was lifted was limited to the National Assembly. It does not say Parliament. It says the National Assembly.
Huko musananani go kugendete kweni kigwa hagati y'ababunge abaseneta nabo igo abagavana igoro yengana yo komentero wa Kibesa gochya ase chi county amaga yo gutora egikaro bosi bwe bunge nabo igo ababunge gutugutera arengana yo komento Kibesa gochya chi county asbabere bakweni kibunani igo abagavana bagutumika bo be Kibesa cyo nabo igo tibali goikirania amagendero ali aganire nonya nabo nigo abagavana babere bagoso kebene na bigo komochia ababunge asibaba bakweneke buna sensemo y'abaseneta babere bagwita na chi county chibe chikonyora chi billion chiminye na 15.
Wale kamati ya National Assembly bado wanasema ya kwamba county zipate only 391 billion Kenya shillings, ambao ni pesa haitawezesha counties zetu kufanya shughuli kama hizi za ukulima, kununulia wananchi na wananchi wetu mbolea, mahindi. Najua leo tumekuja kwa shughuli ya agriculture hapa, wakulima wetu wanataka mbolea, madaktari wanataka pesa kulipwa, tuko na medical equipment services, tunahitaji pesa. So tungependa kuhimiza kamati ya budget ya kwamba you need to reconsider ile proposal ya Senate ya kuongezea counties pesa kutoka shilingi bilioni 385 hadi shilingi bilioni 415.9.
Haba Kenya nigo bagendete kwirubira wikirano bosi bogo chengera litko linene lya madaraka okwana omulike butambe ase wizara y'obulendi bw'eme Raymond Omolo niga bagakwendekanga obereka kwikirana ase egeti asomo yigoyora bekogo kolekana nabo igokweneke buna amonchire lya bereka kolekana abereka wikirana na nigo bero berete wikirano asokweneke buna omoyigoyo no chiko kolekana wikirano.
We have had a brief tour of the stadium just to assess the progress. We were here last week and I did mention that there were some small delays in terms of the timelines, and we came back today to just assure ourselves that we have made progress since then. And as you may have noticed, there has been significant progress in terms of the completion of the stadium, particularly the terraces and the main pavilion. And we want to assure the people of Bungoma and the people of Kenya that we are on course to host the Madaraka Day celebrations on the 1st of June.
Mwanchi umulirele ya korwa sorogo tiuruni onekiro mwayeli obwamangana majia asebire biga kulende toska tonyegera chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mange ningo yaletere asinchira yobwenye nabakwende gutubwete asinse mochiche mitanda sensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website www.ndizitv.net magachi kamera soga nikimna ebichana bayeli gira wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Momanyi asinsemo chibyarkele tobeto kubatenere liga mose nanchiria ne Frida Kerubo genda gutwara obuligeli obimita senikia Ndizi TV obona bwansu bumuguse.